off from the bar. What are you doing back there anyway, cunt?
Slowing us down is what they're fucking doing.
Why don't you just ride the way? Yeah, but it would have been a good fight.
They fucking just back come out like it went down. That's all I'm saying.
Are you trying to get in closer, are you? Where's the rope? I might be able to tie it looser. You have got closer, eh? Does anyone need a piss now? Oh, you're a mongrel cunt. Here we go. Chris's mission's back. Yeah, but Chris has done it in about 5 seconds. You got to bring the port back, man.
Wait, where's he going to go? Hey? Where's he going to go? It's right behind us. True. But they're your smokes. Right, shouted. I shouldn't have done that before, right? I'm fucking prairie dogging. I'm fiddler crabbing. What do you mean, trying to piss on that? He's touching club.
Yeah, you know Shannon will piss on you. Shannon will piss on you at some time.
What are you, Angus?